Hey guys, welcome to my channel or welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia. I hope you guys are doing well. If you haven't subscribed yet, please take the time to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a video. In this video, you see how I make my whipped shea butter and also how I prepare it for sale. First of all, I get my pot or my bowl and then I put in my ingredients that I'll be using. That is my shea butter and every other oil for my recipe. Once I'm done adding all my ingredients in that pot, I then get a second pot, a bigger one, add in boiling water, or I boil the water directly in the pot, and then I place in the smaller pot with the ingredients. After that, I let the shea butter melt completely. When it's completely melted, I take it off the stove. After that, I pour it in a bowl and I make sure it's filtered so I don't get any dirt in the final product. Then I cover it and I place it in the fridge to get solid. This can take a minimum 2 hours. Now I just whip it. I basically wait till it minimum doubles in size and it's white, like bright white. It basically should look like whipped cream. This is how the whipped shea butter looks once I'm done whipping it. It has a beautiful silky consistency. I use a piping bag to get the product into the container that I use. So this is the piping bag I use. I choose a tip and the tip is just for the product to come out looking pretty. And I just pipe right into the container. I find piping into the container the most satisfying thing about the whole process. This is the final product. I just wanted to show you how the product looks with label and without label. And yeah, that's basically it. If you live in Germany and you're interested in purchasing this whipped shea butter, just hit me up on Instagram and you can get yours. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video, leave a comment down below and subscribe if you haven't. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.